So, even do you feel कि मैथ्स नहीं होगी इस बार जेई में? So, I am here with most important topics for maths JEE mains. So, let's get straight to the video. So, जान तो लो किससे सुनने वाले हो? My name is Ashwardhan Singh Chauhan. I have passed all the entrance examinations which you can think after class 12, like JEE Mains, JEE Advanced, BITSAT, NDA, and all the other entrance examinations for engineering. So, I have a very good command over maths. I have scored 99 plus percentile in JEE Mains itself, very minimalistically. So I know what the crux is and how will it be very easy to do that. So let's get started. So thank you bhai for the introduction. So let's start the video. So introduction में हम लोगों के पास है कि there would be 3 सब parts in the video. जो सबसे पहले होगा वो चैप्टर्स जो आपको एक इजी मार्क्स देते हैं एंड देन वी विल बी स्विचिंग टू द चैप्टर्स विच गिव अ हाई आउटपुट बट रिक्वायर अ गुड अमाउंट ऑफ वर्क इन इट एंड देन वी विल हैव अ मार्क बूस्टर सीरीज जहाँ पे आपको थोड़ा एफर्ट डालना है बट you will get the extra marks for that. If you are getting time and you like the chapters, you can go for it. So let's get started. The first chapter would be 3D geometry. Obviously 3 questions आएंगे in each paper, so it's a very good chapter. आपको formulas को याद करना है. What you can do is you can make a formula sheet, or you may have a formula sheet of coaching or anyone. I may also put it on Telegram channel. And then what you can do is make a patent type of question. जैसे अगर आपको स्क्यू लाइन्स है 2 तो उसके बेसिस पे जो 2-3 टाइप के क्वेश्चंस बनते हैं उसको आप नोट कर लीजिए एंड प्रैक्टिस देम वंस. So it would help you to gain a very good command over it. So next chapter would be matrices and determinants for us. So this is a very good chapter. 2 questions at least in the paper, so they are easy kill. And what you can do is inverse of matrix part, and most important the system of linear equation part. That's important. You can cover it in a very good way. If you want the theory part, you can refer to some video and then practice questions from your module or any reference book you are referring to. So next chapter would be differential equation. Differential equation का एक question आना ही है and that would be only of the 3 variety. Only 3 variety are there. उसमें भी एक जो बीच वाली variety है उसमें question नहीं आते हैं. तो आपको बस practice करना है 10-10 question अगर आप हर उससे कर लें अलग अलग टाइप के तो you will be good to go and you would have a good command over it. So next chapter is vector algebra. Approximately 1 to 2 question in each paper. Very good. Just a dot product, cross product, and a bit of the tricks which are very easy, which make the question very easy, and you get an easy mark for it. But you have to apply the brain in it. So practice this chapter well. So after vector algebra, mathematical reasoning, एक question आएगा. If you are not thorough with the chapter, don't worry. Have a look on one of the one shots on the YouTube. They are very helpful and you are good to go. आराम से वो एक question kill है and you will have that chapter in a very less time in your pocket. And then you have binomial theorem. Binomial theorem, you have some type of questions like when you have to find from the end, from the terms from the end or the middle term or nth term. These type of problems are very patent, and also some type of questions like the remainder theorem. These type of questions are repeatedly asked. So practice these type of questions from various sources, and you are good to go for this chapter 2. So till now. So by this time you have secured 10 questions in your bank. Even if you are like stuck with some of the chapters, you can leave them off and you will get approximately 7 to 8 chapters in your bag very easily. So now it's time for a like it's very good but थोड़ा काम करना पड़ेगा बहुत. The chapters are sequence and series. Obviously we all know 2 to 3 questions आते हैं इससे and the point is you have to do the various type of series like AP, GP, AGP and various type of like the limited edition series. So you have to learn them and you have to practice questions related to it. What it would help you to gain a good confidence over the chapter and ultimately आपको questions उससे बन जाएं. The next chapter is probability. It gives approximately 1 question. अगर आपका practice अच्छी है and you have a good command over it, base theorem and all, you will be easily able to do the question. But this chapter is very subjective. किसी को अच्छा लगता है, किसी को अच्छा नहीं लगता है. If you feel it's very hard for you, skip it for now. We will have a more compensating chapters which will be coming ahead. And then we have AOD. AOD approximately one question on average. आपको थोड़ा सा इसमें एफर्ट डालने पड़ेंगे. आपको जैसे रेट ऑफ चेंज है, इन सब के क्वेश्चंस आपको प्रैक्टिस करने पड़ेंगे. वही है, पेक्यूलर टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस है, बट इट जस्ट रिक्वायर्स अ बिट ऑफ प्रैक्टिस. देन वी हैव कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर. कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर वन क्वेश्चन हम लोग को लगता है कि इट्स वेरी हार्ड. फॉर टू बी ट्रू, एडवांस लेवल पे ये हार्ड है, बट एट मेन्स लेवल इफ यू नो योर बाउंड्रीज कि आपको कहाँ बस हो जाना है, वहाँ पे इट्स वेरी गुड चैप्टर एंड यू विल इजीली गेट दैट क्वेश्चन. देन वी हैव एरिया अंडर कर्व. Sometimes some people say prerequisite is integration, but maximum of the time you know basic integration, not very much integration. You will be easily able to do it, but it just requires practice. आपने अगर 10-20 टाइप ऐसे टाइप के क्वेश्चन, सेम टाइप के क्वेश्चन कर लिए, then you will be very easily solving that question जो आपके पेपर में probably उस दिन आएगा. Then we have statistics. आजकल वेरिएंस, स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन का काफी ज़्यादा ट्रेंड चल रहा है, so you might be getting that question in your paper, so practice that way. Because other chapters you are able to do that ना. So now it's mark booster time. अब तक आपने अच्छी रैंक बना ली है. अब आपको और अगर आपको रिफाइंड रैंक चाहिए 99.5 99.6 परसेंटाइल से ऊपर चाहिए जेईई मेंस में, so here are the chapters for you. एलिप्स एंड हाइपरबोला अप्रोक्सीमेटली वन क्वेश्चन आ सकता है, नहीं भी आ सकता है. what you have to do is you can refer to a one shot, and what you will be able to do is कि जो वन शॉट में आपको जो क्वेश्चन करवाए गए हैं उस टाइप के पेटेंट क्वेश्चन आप 5-10 कर लीजिए. सो आपका वो उस पार्ट में अच्छे सा ग्रिप हो जाएगा एंड यू वुड बी एबल टू डू दैट इजी क्वेश्चन इफ इट कम्स इन द पेपर. Then we have parabola and circle. It is the same type of question as ellipse and hyperbola. अगर आपका locus type of question आता है, it becomes a bit of complicated. So wasting the time on it will be of no sense, because आपके पास बहुत सारे ऐसे chapters अभी जो पीछे गए हैं, they will be very easy to solve and you will get very easy marks on them. And then we have integration. It's a very subjective chapter. अगर आपको बहुत ही इंटरेस्ट आ रहा है तो you give much of time. बट मोस्टली क्या होता है कि इफ़ यू हैव अ गुड लक यू विल बी एबल टू सॉल्व दैट क्वेश्चन. बट क्योंकि इंटीग्रेशन में वेराइटीज इतनी है क्योंकि यू कैन नॉट कवर ऑल एट अ टाइम. सो ट्राई योर बेस्ट एंड ट्राई टू कवर द मोस्ट फेमस वन विद बाय द पार्ट्स, लाइक कि कौन सी वेराइटी है तो उस हिसाब से क्वेश्चन करिए. So it would be very helpful to you in the paper. So at the end, hashtag we will earn that day. पहले आप जब रिजल्ट देखेंगे, your parents, you and obviously your teachers, and I would be very much happy if you comment down कि I got a very good score in JEE Mains Maths section. So if any of the video is required from my side, please leave a comment below, and I would be very happy to make a video on it. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.